Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Aries, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So Aries, today we have Death, Completed World and Four of Spheres. So today in your circumstances, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, you are someone really kind and compassionate. So you try to help people, you try to be there for people who are close to you, and you are someone in a very good position in life, helping others, and maybe sometimes you are doing this help to make them like you or make them praise about you. That may be for it may be something really, it may be a very rare case scenario. But overall, I see that you are a very helpful, kind and compassionate soul. So people in any difficult circumstance, you may have your friends or family members coming to you for guidance or financial help, Aries. And maybe in this relationship, you are in a circumstance where things are changing, or things are whatever problems you would have faced, in this relationship, trials or obstacles, today you feel that your life is changing and you are reaching some kind of completion, something bringing you clarity, something bringing you understanding. And you feel that you are the center of your circumstance. So everything revolving around you. So the way you are, maybe if you are radiating peace and happiness, that is what is going to be your circumstance today. So that sense of satisfaction, completion is what I see for you. Maybe you may be in a circumstance where you feel that you are unable to change anything. So that sense of surrender in your circumstance is also what I see. So you are feeling that relief no matter what. So there may be a lot of struggles you are facing. Everything is changing. So you cannot just point out to something you can hope for. All your dreams and goals, whatever it was, all that is transforming today, because you feel that you are helpless and you cannot do anything. today. You cannot do anything to change the way things are. So that may be the reason this circumstance is bringing out that sense of surrender in your heart. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Temperance in reverse. So whatever was not working for you, all that is leaving, and you're seeing great changes, and maybe you may be really frustrated, sad, or angry over certain things, but you need to understand that these changes are happening to bring something good in your life today, Aries. So that is the energy here with these cards. So for your career circumstances, Aries, we will see what is the card. It's 8 of Spheres. So in your career, you are a person who is really skilled and talented, courageous, bold, and practical. So you know what will work and what will be the right choice and what will be the right decision today. So that is the energy here, and you're an extremely hard working person. So your hard work is definitely paying off, and you're going to see success and prosperity in your life very soon, Aries. So that is the energy here, Aries. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few minutes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside for those who chose this card. The Sea Maiden. Promises. So in our life, maybe in our circumstances, if we have made some promises, those promises must be kept, otherwise we will be faced with more difficult circumstance, something we cannot handle. So this is the card reminding us to keep our end of the bargain. Maybe if we tell someone that we will do something, we must do it. And if we request help from someone, when that person requests help back, we must be able to help them back. That is what this card is about. And maybe you are quite restless about something. You are searching for an answer, or you are searching for a way to come out of some circumstance. And today you will find the right thing to do, the right answer, what needs to be done. But you must be ready to give up something on your part, sacrifice something on your part to get that answer. And today these circumstances are here to make changes in you. There are some changes happening today, happening in your life, and you must honor your words, whatever you tell. Maybe you make promises to people close to you, people you love. You must make promises only if you are able to keep those promises. and these promises must not be used uh, to get something out of that person. Use it as something selfishly. So when you keep your end of the bargain, things are going to work out well. But if you break the promises you made, it's going to land you in difficulty. So that is the energy here. And this card also suggests that your restlessness is going to come to an end. You're going to find an answer, and whatever is your destiny, though you will be making a lot of efforts, you may go through a lot of pain, but whatever you need to go through, you will come out of it successfully. That is what this card is about. Maybe the path may be quite difficult, but you are definitely going to come out of your you will survive your destiny. That is what this card is about. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, it says milk and honey. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship, if you are open to a new relationship, you are going to find someone good, find someone a person who is going to open up a very passionate romantic time with you, and you are going to have a great time with this person. Beautiful understanding, love and compatibility. Or maybe if you are already in a connection, this card suggests that there is a greater intimacy, harmony and a beautiful understanding flowering in this connection, and you will feel really grateful to be in this love, to be with this person. And this card stands for gratitude, that happiness and satisfaction. The same way in your career, whatever choices you make, whatever choices you are making today, it is going to lead you towards greater success, abundance, and you are going to embrace your destiny, and whatever opportunities you are going towards, all that opportunities are going to give you a sweet taste of the success you are going to experience in your life today. So that is what this card is about. This card is about happiness, prosperity, abundance and opportunities, and trust in your circumstances, trusting in your destiny, that all your needs will be met. So that is the energy here, that is the reading with these cards. Thank you guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.